At Hubbardton Forge, we believe that every lighting project deserves exceptional craftsmanship. From intimate spaces to grand installations, we specialize in bringing your unique vision to life. With our dedicated in-house customs team located in Castleton, Vermont, we collaborate directly with you to realize your vision. Designers, engineers, prototyping specialists, and skilled artisans, all under one roof, ensuring seamless communication from concept to creation. Custom sizes and unique shapes? Absolutely. From expansive statement pieces to tailored outdoor solutions, whatever you envision, we can craft. And with our coastal outdoor finishes, your lighting will withstand harsh conditions, meeting the highest durability standards. All stages of creation, from design and prototyping to manufacturing and finishing, take place right here under one roof. This integrated approach ensures rapid turnaround, exacting quality control, and reliable lead times for your custom lighting. With no minimum order quantities, order exactly what your project demands. Nothing more, nothing less. Need a specific finish to complement your space? Select any hue from the RAL Classic color palette, and we'll precisely match your project's color scheme. With materials including metals, artisan glass, rich leather, warm woods, and natural stone, your design possibilities are limitless. Our award-winning Abacus and Versatile Snaps collections are purposefully designed for easy customization, offering modular, adjustable designs that blend luxury materials and tailored configurations to perfectly complement your unique lighting vision. Experience Hubbardton Forge's unmatched custom lighting capabilities, tailored precisely to your project's unique size, material, and finish requirements. Visit hubbardtonforge.com today. Explore inspiration from past projects and get started on your custom lighting journey.